It is a beautiful collection of flowers. I am an Indian Air Force veteran. I traveled entire India. And, I love gardening, but I could not pursue this hobby because of my traveling across the country. Two states I like very much in India. They are Kerala and Kashmir. In Kashmir, I have seen various gardens, beautiful gardens I have seen. They are really amazing. And I traveled Kashmir along with my wife and two sons, and we traveled a lot. And when I was in Indian Air Force, I traveled in Me-17 helicopters. So I led a very exciting life in Indian Air Force. And I am a survivor of brain stroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology. You can see a great collection of flowers. A splendid collection of flowers. I don't know the names of these flowers. So my hobby is to upload videos and share on social media platforms. Here is a overview of collection of flowers, different types of flowers.
ఇలా లైన్లో ఉండవు వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి. రాము నెమ్మది చెప్తున్నాను చూడు, తొందర కొట్టు. 40 రూపాయలు 40 అది కాదు అది తర్వాత నలభై అన్న అన్న 32 రూపీస్ కదా, 32 రూపీస్ అన్న 40 40 అయ్యా నువ్వు 185 02 180.
Hope friends you enjoyed this video. It's a collection of beautiful flowers, and thank you for subscribing. And I am author of 52 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate His Holiness Dalai has it in a foreword. I have 42 years of diversified experience, including in Air Force, business, teaching and training. And I am a survivor of brain stroke in the year of 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology, because of the power of subconscious mind, and because of the healthy habits that I acquired from Indian Air Force. I am a late bloomer with OCD, Dyslexic, ADHD, and add to that the brain stroke has worsened my health. I was born in a toxic family and grew up in a toxic environment. I am 60 years old with lots of challenges. I have mental challenges, physical challenges and financial challenges. Despite all the challenges, I rose like a phoenix. The message from this video is that enjoy the beautiful scenery and nature and pursue gardening. Gardening is good because it's a stress buster, and it's nice to pursue the hobby of gardening. Thank you for giving me permission to shoot this video with gratitude.